Good morning. This is Salva Salitas, and today I will discuss about review on proofreading marks. So, um, proofreading marks are a system of symbols and annotations that editors and proofreaders use to mark errors, suggest changes, and make comments on a document. These marks help streamline the editing process by providing clear and concise instructions for revisions, ensuring effective communication between proofreaders and writers. Then, the second slide is um, efficiency. Um, Proofreading marks provide a shorthand code for indicating corrections, saving time and space. So it means that these are symbols and and abbreviations used to mark corrections and changes in written text. They offer a quicker and more efficient way to indicate edits than writing out lengthy instructions. Think of them as a secret code for editors and writers. Then, the next slide is clarity. So, in this slide, uh, the next slide is clarity. Standard symbols ensure a clear and consistent understanding of the intended changes among all parties. So, um, the involved. So, using standard symbol, make sure that everyone involved understands the changes being discussed in the same way, preventing confusion or misinterpretations. So, in accuracy, proofreading marks help identify and correct a wide range of errors from spelling and grammar to punctuation and and formatting. So, proofreading marks are used to find and fix various kinds of errors in writing. These errors can include spelling, um, if spelling are incorrectly spelled words, um, in grammar, the mistakes in sentence structure, verb tense, or word usage. Um, In punctuation, those are incorrect use of commas, periods, semicolons, and in formatting, those are the problems with the layout of the text, such as spacing, indentation, or font. So, in the next slide, we have the marginal notes. Corrections are typically placed in the margins alongside the relevant line of text. So, this is how corrections are usually shown in a document. Corrections are usually written in the margins, right next to the line of text they refer to. In line marking, in the slide, uh, a corresponding marks is also placed in the text itself to pinpoint the location of the error. So, inline marking means that when an error is found in a piece of writing, a mark is made directly within the text itself to show exactly where the problem is. This is different from, for example, writing comments in the margins or creating a separate list of errors. So we have the common proofreading marks. Um, so we have the caret. Caret indicates an addition, often used to insert a missing punctuation mark or word. So a caret looking like an upside down V shows where something needs to be added, like a missing comma or word. Think of it as pointing up to where the insertion goes. So, example, we went to the store. The caret indicates that to needs to be inserted. So, strike through indicates a deletion or replacement. So, a line through a word means it should be removed or replaced. For example, um, the apple orange is delicious. So this strike through indicates apple should be replaced with orange. And the next one is transpose. It indicates that two words or letters need to be switched. So um, this mark signals that two elements, letters or words, are in the wrong order and should be should be swapped rather. So for example, um, uh, T tr house, the tr indicates T should be corrected to the. So it is um, the letter or words are in the wrong order. So ins- uh, instead of TEH, it should be the. So THE. So the next one is transpose. Transpose indicates that two words or letters need to. um, the next one is the insert period. So it indicates that a period should be added, then the it simply means this is the period that is missing and needs to be added at the mark spot. So example, it is a nice day. Then insert comma. It indicates that a comma should be added. So um, if there's a missing comma, then Um, uh, if there's a missing comma, we should, um, of course, add comma. So, for example, after we ate, we went home. So, the comma is in between of after we ate. So, the comma is after the word ate. Then, the spell out. It indicates a misspelled word. So, this mark flags as misspelled word and suggests it should be written out correctly. Example, accommodate. Then, there's added word SP, but it is a misspelled. So, meaning accommodate is misspelled. Then, lowercase, it indicates that a word should be made lowercase. So, lowercase indicates a word incorrectly capitalized and should be changed to lowercase. Example, the sun, the sun is shining. Sun should not be capitalized in this context. Then, um, the next one is capitalize. Capitalize indicates that a word should be capitalized. So this shows a word that the words that needs to be capitalized. For example, wake up went to the park. We should be capitalized at the beginning of the sentence, not capitalizing all the every single first in the single in the first word single word in the first word rather. So the insert quotation marks indicates that quotation marks should be added. So this indicates missing quotation marks used to enclose direct speech or quotations. Example, hello, she said.